Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are getting a coarse error while calling an API deployed on your Vercel, this video is for you. Let's fix this issue directly in Vercel as this is a backend issue and not a front end. Just to make sure that we know the background, coarse happens when your front end is calling a Vercel API route or serverless function, but the response does not include the coarse headers. So how to fix that? We need to add a new file called Vercel and paste these lines of codes inside that. You can add the headers globally so that you don't have to change each and every API call from your front end application. If you don't want to touch each API file, and that is recommended as well, then this is the way to go. Let me just go through each line of code so that you can have a better idea of what's happening. First, we will set the source. The dot and the star sets as a placeholder. And then the headers. We will have three value key pairs in the headers. The first one will be the origin. The second one will be the methods. Here you can specify which methods are allowed. For this example, we are allowing all of the getters, post, put, delete, and option methods. And the third one, which is the most important one, is that we need to allow the headers as well. So in this, we need to have the content type authorization set in as by default. So once you do that, you don't have to touch your front end whatsoever. This is the fix from your backend Vercel, and everything will start working and you will not be having that issue again. And that is it for this video. If you like this video, press the like button, comment if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you in the next one.